Good morning students. Welcome to new class. Today I am going to start exercise 1.4. In the previous class we have studied about the exercise 1.3. Okay. So let us start exercise 1.4. Go to question number 1. Evaluate each of the following. See, evaluate करना. Okay. So go to a question A, minus 30 divided by 10. See, don't see first this sign minus and all. Agar 30, if we'll divide this 30 by 10, what will get the answer? That is 10 3 is 30. So what will be the answer? That is, here we'll write down 3 answer. Yes or no? Now see the sign. Here it is minus and this is plus. So minus plus is what? Minus. So put the sign minus. Okay students? Go to B also. 50 divided by minus 5. If we'll divide this 5 by 50 by 5, so what will get the answer? That is 5 tens are 50. Yes or no? So you just write down answer 10. Yes or no? Now see the sign. Here it is plus and here it is minus. So minus plus is what? Minus. So we'll put the sign here minus. Now see C1, minus 36 divided by 9. So what you see, if we'll divide this 9 in 9 table, 36 will come. Yes, 9 4s are 36. So what will get the answer? That is 4. Yes or no? But what we have to see the sign first. Here it is minus and here it is also minus. So minus minus is what? Plus. So it will be in a plus sign. Okay, you can do it by your own. Okay, all the questions are very easy. Okay, do it by your own. If you have any doubt, you can ask me personally. Okay, now go to question number 2. Verify that A divided by B plus C is not equals to A divided by B plus A divided by C. For each of the following values, A and A, B and C is given. Just see, for A value is 12, B value is minus 4, C value is 2. What we have to do? We have to just write down this first left hand side, then this right hand side. Okay. After that, what you have to do? You have to just put these values of A, B, C in these questions. Okay. Just see how I had done, dear student. See, I had written A equals to B equals to C equals to, all had written the values. First left hand side is, copy the left hand side, that is A divided by B plus C. So what we have to do? We have to put the values, that is 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2. Minus plus is what? Minus. It will become minus 2. 12 divided by 2. That is minus 2. So first don't see some sign. Okay, 2 divided by 12. If you divide करेंगे 12 से divide को 2 करेंगे तो what will get the answer? 6. Yes or no? Here it is minus, here it is plus. Plus minus is what? Minus. So we'll put the sign minus. So we had done left hand side. Now go to right hand side. Right hand side, A divided by B plus A divided by C. Put the values of A, B. You had put it? Yes. Now see, if we'll divide this, don't see the sign first. 4 divided by 12, what will be the answer? That is 3. 4 3 is 12. Yes, yes. Now here it is plus, here it is minus. So what will be the answer? That is minus, because minus plus minus. Okay. Now 12 divided by 2 is almost 6. Yes. Now plus and minus is what? Minus. So we have to do the minus sign here. Minus. So 6 minus 3 is what? 3. So bigger number is 6. So in front of 6, what sign is there? Plus. So we'll put the sign here plus. Okay students, so we can say that left hand side is minus 6 and right hand side is 3. So we can say that left hand side is not equals to right hand side, that is A divided by B plus C is not equals to A divided by B plus A divided by C. Okay students, यहाँ पे A आएगा, A नहीं राइट है. ओके, is it right? Okay students, so B is the same. You can do it your own. Okay, do it by your own, follow this method only. Now see question number 3. Question number 3 is very easy. मुझे नहीं लगता कि आपको ये बताना पड़ेगा. You can do it. 369 divided by which number? So get the answers. 369. अगर 369 is the number, which number should be that so that numbers come same? That is 1. Okay. So in the same way you can do the second one. 75 divided by 75 will get the answer 1. But you have to put the sign. This is minus, so we have to put the sign here minus. Okay. Here minus 206 divided by which number? So we will get the answer 1. Here it is minus. We have to see here also minus. Okay. So we were putting minus 206. If we will divide the same numbers, we will get the answer 1. Okay students, you do it by your own. Okay. Now go to question number 4. Write 5 integers pairs, 5 pairs of integers A comma B such that A divided by B is equals to 3. See what we have to do here. One such pair is done, that is 6 and 2. What we have to do? We have to see that any numbers that can be divided, that is a divided by b, will get the same answer, that is -3. If you will divide any numbers, you just see, remember that you get the answer -3 only, not other than. Okay, now see how it is done. See this one. See, first choice is 3 and -1. Why? Because if we will divide this 3 divided by -1, so we will get the answer -3. Yes or no? The first choice is 3 comma -1. Second also same. What we have to what? Here it is -1 is there. Here we will put the -3 and 1. Okay. So if we will divide the same answer we'll get, that is -3. Again we are taking the second number, that is 9 and -3, and opposite -9 and 3. See the numbers we are taking. Just we will see the numbers that is divided will get the same answer, that is -3. Okay students, done? Do it. No. Now see question number 5. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero if decreases at the rate 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. At what time? Midnight means 12 o'clock. At what time would be the temperature 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What will be the temperature at midnight? Okay, we have to find out the temperature of midnight, and at what time the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius. We have to find out below zero. Okay, so let us see the initial temperature is given. Okay, that is 10 degrees Celsius at 12 noon. So let us see how it is done. Go to question number 5. Okay, now question number 5, just see initial temperature what is given. See the question. The temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above zero if it decreases the rate of 2 degrees Celsius at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour until midnight. Midnight means 12 noon. At what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? What would the temperature at midnight? We have to find out the temperature at midnight, and we have to find out the time at the temperature 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, so let us see how it is done. Just see initial temperature is given, that is 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, now see the question. Solution. Initial temperature at 12 noon will be 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, now change in temperature is given in the question, that is -2 degrees Celsius. What we have to do? We have to just see the temperature at 1 to 9. Okay, so let us see temperature at 1 o'clock, that is this 10 minus this 2, sorry, then 10 plus this -2. So 10 degrees Celsius plus -2 degrees Celsius will be the answer, 8 degrees Celsius. Again temperature at 2, 8 degrees Celsius plus -2. In the same way we are doing this. If we are getting 6 answer, now again 6 answer, 6 degrees Celsius will be added by -2 degrees Celsius, will get the answer 4 degrees Celsius. Again this 4 degrees Celsius at 4 o'clock will be 4 degrees Celsius minus 2 degrees Celsius. What will get the answer? 2 degrees. In the same way temperature at 5, that is this answer 2 degrees Celsius plus this -2 degrees Celsius will get the answer 0 degrees Celsius. Temperature at 6, 0 degrees Celsius means which are getting the answer, that 0 degrees Celsius will be added by the -2 degrees Celsius. The answer will get the -2, then -2 degrees Celsius plus -2 degrees Celsius. What will the answer? -4 degrees Celsius at 7 o'clock. Now minus this answer, -4 degrees Celsius will be added by -2 degrees Celsius, will get the answer -6 degrees Celsius at 8 noon. Now again this -6 degrees Celsius will be added by -2 degrees Celsius, will get the answer -8 degrees Celsius at temperature at 9 o'clock. So temperature at 9 o'clock is -8 degrees Celsius. The question is asked at what temperature, at what time the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below zero. So you have to write down the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below zero at 9 p.m. Okay students, have you understood? Now go to next. See, it will take 12 hours to be midnight, that is 12 noon. After 12 noon, how many it take the time? That is 12 hours. It is taking the 12 hours time, that is midnight 12 a.m. Okay, now again just see from see now change in temperature is in 12 hours. 12 hours में कितना चेंज हुआ है? तो ये जस्ट one hour it is 2 degrees Celsius. So for 12 hours how many? That is 2 into 12, that is -2 into 12 degrees Celsius. 12 hours, that is -24 degrees Celsius. Now at midnight the temperature will be what? It is given already in the question, that is 10 degrees Celsius. Initial one is there. Now what we have to do? This initial degree we have to add the numbers by this -24 degrees Celsius. So what will be the answer? That is 14 degrees Celsius. So we can say that the temperature at midnight will be minus 14 degrees Celsius below zero. Okay students, others questions are very easy. You can do it by your own. Okay students, questions are very easy, just see. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, question number 6 and 7 both are homework. Okay, here it is given. See, in question number 7 nothing is there. Here see students, the descent is word is there na, it means that negative. Okay, so anyway elevators, the distance जो हम लोग ले रहे हैं, the distance in descent form means it is denoted by the negative integers. Okay, remember this number, remember this, which is 6 meter, it means that it is minus 6 meter. Okay, this is what we have to do, nothing we have to do, only the thing we have to just see minus 350 meters, we have to add this by 10 meter. Okay, subtract करना है. Okay, this minus 35 350 minus this 10, what will answer, that is minus 360 meter. You will get the answer that minus 360 meter will be divided by this 6 number. Okay, this is minus 6, so minus 360 divided by 6 will get the answer 60 minute, that is 1 hour. Okay, now you can see the solution here I had done. Okay, so copy these questions in your notebook students, and those who have seen the videos please let me know and give me the message. Okay students, take care.